Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting geometry problem. We are given two cycles here that are tangent to each other and also together tangent to the rectangle. And we are asked to find the area of the shaded region, which you can see in red right here. Alright, so if you pay close attention, we have a triangle here, which is a right angle triangle. So we can find the area of the red region by subtraction. How? We can find the area of this triangle, then subtract the area of this white region and this other one. What will be left is the red region. But again, you can see that this is symmetrical to this, right? While this is also symmetrical to this. So since we would like to subtract these two areas, this and this, if you combine them together, you have a complete cycle. Just like taking this one, mount it here, you have a complete cycle. So it is going to be the area of the triangle minus the area of one of the cycles. Alright, so the area that we are looking for is equal to the area of this triangle minus the area of a cycle. And what is the radius of this cycle? Since the cycle is tangent to the rectangle, then this width will be the diameter of the cycle, and half of the diameter, which is 5, will be the radius. So let's find the area of triangle, which is half. The base is 20 multiplied by the height, which is 10, the minus the area of a cycle, which is pi. R is 5 squared, as simple as that. Half of 20 is 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. This is 100 minus 25 pi, everything centimeter squared. This is the exact area of the red region, but if you would like to find the approximated area, you can substitute the value of pi, multiply by 25, subtract the result from 100. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye bye.